My name is Kira Morgan. I'm tuning in to you live from Phoenix, Arizona.
Today's topic is my final project, designing a wireless network. The hospital will launch a new wireless network that will have 802.11 standards instead of proprietary standards. This network will make it convenient for doctors, nurses, and administrators to scan a patient's wristband to pull up patient treatments, medications, and allergies. Doctors will be equipped with wireless IP phones, which will allow the doctors to have access to their patients in case of emergencies. In return, it will expedite response times, maximize patient care, and keep everyone on the same page. We transitioned the system into the new upgraded network without disrupting the business and allowing the hospital to be fully operational by reaching out to the hospital directory and discovering which floors are the least busy and what time would be the best to make the transition. The users that would need access to the wireless network would be all employees within the hospital. Each employee's access would be based on the different credentials that they have within the hospital. For example, an administrator is not going to have access to what the patient is eating during hospital hours or what medication they are currently using, but that would be necessary information for a doctor, nurse, or dietitian. Quality of service will ensure critical applications with limited network security. It enables the hospitals to adjust the network, prioritizing high-performing applications. This will allow the hospital to optimize performance of multiple applications. We need to prioritize the patient's data, X-ray, and MRI machines. The budget has been reviewed and we add an additional 15% in case of contingencies regarding installation. Software and hardware costs, the total allocated budget is $325,000 even. With this, as you can see in the above chart, the total cost for hardware and software would come to $63,325. And in the above chart as well, you can see it broken down from the price point, how many we need, and the total cost that it comes out to for each individual item. My company would take specific security measures to ensure that the hospital is protected, like a Wi-Fi protected access to as encryption, restricted access for firewalls, policies and employee training to ensure that all new employees go through a cybersecurity training, rogue access, and unique access for any credentials for everyone within the hospital. Network testing is an investigation conducted to provide stakeholders with information about the quality of the product or service under test. Network testing can also provide an objective, independent view of the network to allow the business to appreciate and understand the risk of network implementation. Planned testing would be vulnerability testing for Wireshark, Nmap, Rogue scanners. Site surveys would include physical checks of equipment and signal strength checks. Network performance would be done by Cisco Wi-Fi Tool Manager.